Nothing ruins a day faster than a crack on your smartphone screen or damage to your expensive tablets, video games, or electronic devices. But no matter the problem, Fix Phone Center is there to pick up the pieces and save the day. We are experts in repairing mobile devices, whether you are experiencing water damage, a shattered screen from an accidental fall, or any type of malfunction. Our highly qualified technicians combine skill with state-of-the-art repair tools to fix your device and have it back in your hands in no time. As the largest American mobile repair chain store, we are on a mission to expand and reach more people by entering new markets. This is an excellent opportunity for entrepreneurs and business-minded people to partner with us by becoming franchise owners. The mobile repair industry is a multi-billion-dollar industry. As more U.S. households acquire more mobile devices, the demand for quick repairs will only increase, making franchise ownership with Fix Phone Center a lucrative investment. No previous technical experience is required to take advantage of this incredible business opportunity. We provide extensive hands-on training to ensure you have the technical knowledge necessary to accurately diagnose problems and execute repairs. Plus, we also teach you our business system. With our proven 10-year track record, you will learn everything about running a successful fixed phone business. From hiring staff to filling office space and everything in between, this is the opportunity you've been waiting for. For just a low startup fee, you will get the equipment, training, and strategy to build your own business in a rapidly growing and immensely profitable industry. Contact us now at fixphonecenter.com to schedule your launch meeting. Welcome to Fix Phone Center family.